How to add new address on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Hit towards the option of view. Now go to the option addresses, open it. From this page, you can easily add address to your Temu account. All you have to do is tap on this option of add a new address. Now you have to fill these. First you select your country and then type in your first name, last name. Now here you have to type in street or address. Now over here you can type in your building or apartment number. Scroll down and type in your postcode, likewise town, and then country. And then you have to type in your phone number. After you fill these, you can tap on the option of save given at the very bottom. Shipping address, tap on it is correct. And with that, your address has been added to your Temu account. So this is how you can easily add address on your Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.